I play the street life because there's no place I can go. Street life, it's the only life I know. Street life.
I was born in P.T. Guam. We were in concentration camp. Me, my mom, and my sister, and my brother Dan, Boy, and John were in another concentration camp. That's our passport. You know what? We came here in January 1949. It was cold, man. Didn't have no shoes. We wore short pants. Yeah, look how I dressed, man. I ain't got no clothes. I barely got clothes. And look at the clothes I got. You know why? They're hand-me-downs. And Dan kicked a lot of ass coming home from school because they used to tease us. The kids down in Emerson. And Emerson, you know, we used to walk home because we live in Ocean View. And shoot, they used to laugh at us, man. That's me and my sister, and that's my brother's car. That's when we first came, and we bought a car. And then my mother took me, and my sister took us and sent us to St. Jude's from 2nd grade to the 8th grade. That's St. Jude's right there. And that was 1955, back, 55, 54, you know. Because in 55, I was in the 8th grade, and I graduated from the 8th grade, then I went to Gompers. And then after that, I went to Lincoln. That's what my mother bought me for graduation.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day.
That's my mother, 3630 Ocean View. That's what I used to look like. Oh, 3630, that A-frame house, 1950, 51, until after, wow. His family, and after that, I don't know. I worked at J.C. Penney's for 3 or 4 years. My brothers, remember a long time ago when the conveyor used to be the big thing? Well, they used to work there. My brother John, he was a mechanic. That's my brother John and his girlfriend, Julia.
These are the good times. Good times.
You know, back when they first, my mother and them, they're the one that started that Guam Club. Him and her, them, my dad, and some of their friends. About 1950, that club. We hung out there, man. Oh my God, I can't believe this shit. We used to hang out right here. Oh my God. That's my brother John, Boy, my sister-in-law, Belle, my dad, Nick, Uncle Pete. That's me and my kids, April or March, one of the two. That's me, my sister, and Dan. And that's me, my niece, Anna, Junior, Belle, my brother Boy, Dan, my mother, my father, my whole family. And that's me when I ran across the bridge twice. I ran 10K, 6 miles across the Bay Bridge, Coronado Bridge twice. That's me when I was competing in our knees. Me and Dan were kicking some, shoot.